Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to make some floral hoops for spring. I've made a few hoop videos before, and I'm linking those as well. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. So first, let us clean our work area first. I use a glass mat, and so I just spritz my mat with some alcohol and wipe it down. Next, I bring my spring colors out. All these colors have been mixed with a lot of translucent clay to make the colors softer. If you want me to share color recipes for these colors, please leave a comment down below. This then gets conditioned very well. And now it's time to bring out the extruder. You can make hoops without one, but if you really want your hoops to be more uniform, I suggest investing on an extruder. I use a half moon plate because I want my hoop to have a flat side. I extrude two pieces and bring out a little ruler to make sure that both pieces are the same length. Set aside the excess because you will be coming back to that later. Next, I determine the color to use for the stems, and I roll the clay out into very thin coils. The stems are placed randomly on the log. The violet color was rolled out into the number 7 setting, and then I got a smaller flower cutter and punched out some flowers. I use a tissue blade to cut across the flower to separate the petals. Then I pinch the ends of each petal and place this on the stem. Push the petal in with a detail needle and continue to add a few more petals. I have to admit, this is very delicate work, and if you'd like to do a simpler hoop project, here is one that I did a few years ago that is easier for beginners. Repeat this using the other colors until the log is filled with these droopy daisies. Then make small balls of clay and press it at the top of the petals. Now remember the excess clay that we set aside? Let's get back to that because we will be using it to cover the earring posts. I cut this into a thin slice. Then I get my post and press it at the end of the log. Then get the sliced clay and press the hole using the post. I get the liquid Sculpey to attach this to the post. I carefully push the post and make sure that it stands upright and centered. At this point, it is time to bring out the tube where I will mold the earrings to. Then this goes to the oven to be baked, following the instructions on the packaging. This is how the finished product looks like. I really loved how they turned out, and it really does remind me of spring. That is it for this weekend tutorial. Keep on crafting. Bye!